Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the sound section. Now let's localize the phone ringtone option, let's tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, of course, your device will never use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And you can also tap on Music, which is on storage, and basically if you will have anything, for example downloaded, it will appear right here and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me check something from those options, and all you have to do is to tap on it to be able to listen and check. Well, maybe not that loud. Yeah, and basically this is how it works, so just tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. And if you want to set it, make sure that it is marked and tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.